In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Easy Mod folder in GTA 5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, an Easy Mod folder is basically a folder where whenever you're downloading mods or anything like that, it basically separates those mod folders from your original GTA 5 files so that it seems like nothing is, tampered with or anything like that, or if anything messes up, it won't actually affect your original GTA 5 gameplay file. So you're going to need a few things for this. You want to have the Easy Mod folder, which you can get from this link right here. So you want to have that downloaded. You also want to have OpenIV downloaded by clicking this download now green button. Then you want to have ScriptHookV downloaded, and just to show you that it works, we're going to download this Mazda MX-5 Rocket Bunny add-on / replacement as well. So just download all four of these things. So once they're all downloaded, it's going to look something like this. And basically all you want to do is also open up your GTA 5 directory. If you don't know where it is, just open up Steam. Then once you do, go to GTA 5, right click on it, go to manage, and then browse local files, which is going to open up GTA 5's directory. Then what you want to do is basically just open up ScriptHookV is the very first thing. And then what you want to do is open up ScriptHookV. So it's a zip file. So you can just go right click, go to WinRAR, open with WinRAR, and then just open up this bin file right here. And what you're gonna need from here is ScriptHookV, the D input, and the X input. So just highlight those three things and then just drag them into your GTA 5 folder. And then once that's done, you can just click out of this from WinRAR and just delete it from this folder right here. Next thing you want to do is install OpenIV, which is this one right here. So just double click on that and you can install it using this installation package. Now I'm not going to do it because I already have OpenIV installed. So once OpenIV is installed, you're going to come up with something like this, and you just want to go to GTA 5 and click on Windows. It's going to be starting up. Then it might ask you for your GTA 5 directory, which in that instance, it's just for the first time opening it. You just want to copy it from there. And then, you can just paste it, and then it's going to look something like this. The first thing I want you to do is press edit mode right there. Then I want you to go over to tools, and then I want you to go over to ASI manager. So you want to have two things installed: ASI loader, which is already installed for me, and you want to have OpenIV.asi. You want to have that installed as well. And it's just as quick as that. It installs literally instantly. So now what we want to do is open up the EMF folder. So what we're going to do is going to right click on it again, open with WinRAR, and then it's going to show up something like this. So all you really just want to do is click on mods, update x64 DLC packs, and it's going to have EMF right there. So what we want to do is literally just get this mods folder and drag and drop it into your other mods folder right here. And then what we want to do is click on this and then click on update and then x64, then DLC packs. Then we're going to see EMF at the very top. Now all you want to do is open up DLC and then x64, and then you're going to have common, pedestrians, vehicle mods, vehicle share, weapons. So if you wanted to, download a mod for a vehicle or a weapon, you can put them in their respective folders. So let's say I want to do like a vehicle mod. All I want to do is just X out of this, and then we have the Mazda mod right here. So we're going to open that with WinRAR. It's going to look something like this, and then all you want to do is just open up the folder. You can have add-on or replace, so we're just going to do add-on, and the DLC, you can literally just put that in there, and then you'll be good to go.